Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and software readiness. Make sure EV3 firmware is current and Bluetooth is enabled. This avoids pairing failures later. Once done, connect the EV3 via USB to apply any missing firmware or driver updates. This step prevents Bluetooth mode conflicts. Make sure the brick has good battery level so Bluetooth stays active during pairing. Meanwhile, enable the computer's Bluetooth adapter and load the LEGO Mindstorms driver if prompted, because drivers let your OS see the EV3 as a device. You now perform the actual pairing. On the EV3, open Bluetooth settings, set visibility to on, and enable search mode. This advertises the brick to your computer. Next, on your computer search for Bluetooth devices, when EV3 appears, choose it and enter PIN 1234 if prompted. This standard PIN authenticates the link. After pairing at OS level, open LEGO Mindstorms or your programming IDE. Select Bluetooth as the connection type, and pick the newly paired EV3 so the software can send programs and files directly to the brick. Finish by validating the link. Compile and download a simple motor or LED program to the EV3, then run it to confirm two-way communication. If the connection fails or drops, first restart Bluetooth on the EV3 and your computer, then repair. Interference or low battery is often the culprit. If the EV3 never appears in your Bluetooth list, reconnect via USB and reinstall drivers or firmware. That step resolves hidden configuration bugs and ensures the Bluetooth interface functions reliably moving forward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.